Welcome to Overgo World, making your life better through tech, vacations and other great things. Remember to subscribe so that you don't miss out on our latest videos. So I've just bought the brand new iPhone 15 Pro Max. So this is the blue titanium 1TB version. Please check out our other video if you want to have a look at the sort of unboxing comparison with the iPhone 13 Pro Max. But as you'll know, when you get a new iPhone, you need a case if you want to protect it, because these things are slippy in the hand and prone to sort of you're always worried about sort of scratching. So I've just bought the brand new iPhone 15 Pro Max FineWoven case in blue. So just going to unbox that. So it's got a tab on the front, so just give that a pull. There you go, that's what this looks like. So just pulling this out. There we go. So if I just put this onto the side, that's the case. So it's got a nice, that, you know, it's called woven. It's got that nice sort of feel to it. The side is quite plasticky though. So it is a you know, it is a plastic rather than a sort of a silicon type case. It's got a nice feel on the back. It's a shame they didn't sort of put that all the way round, but I'll just, and if I put it next to the phone, you can see that the phone does look almost black, this titanium blue, and the cover is obviously a much truer blue color. So let's put that in, and just before I put it in, you can see it's got the slot there for the USB-C new connector slot, and also for what I'm assuming are I'm assuming there's speaker holes there as well. So let's just put this in, because it should be a simple case of just slotting this in. So I'm just going to do that. So we've got the case on now. So if you just want to see, that's how it sort of looks from the side. That's how it sort of looks from the back. Let's just do a quick weight test, because without the case it's 221 grams. Let's see what the weight is when I put it on top. So you can see there, 252. So it does add a bit of weight on there. To give you a comparison, the old iPhone 13 Pro Max weighed 238 grams. So with the case, it's obviously heavier than the old phone. So without the case, it's 221 grams. With the case, it's 252 grams. Would I buy this case? So the feel of it isn't as nice as the sort of silicone cases that I had on my old phone, but it's one of those things that when you buy this, you know, soon after launch, you are more limited on the cases you can buy. With my iPhone 13 Pro Max, I didn't initially buy a case, and I felt within days that I needed a case. Simply, it just didn't feel right putting it down on surfaces, etc. So you are obviously a bit more limited if you are going to be trying to get a case like this straight away. If you've delayed your purchase and there are third-party cases, then you may want to check those out. So on my iPhone 13 Pro Max, I bought the original Apple silicone case for what must be around about sort of £60. And if you go on Amazon, you can buy very similar silicone cases for about £10. And on quality wise, they seem just as good. I'm sure the same thing will happen with the iPhone 15 Pro Max. So if you can wait on a case, you may want to wait, because the case is okay. I wouldn't say it's brilliant. It's a bit of a weird feel to it compared to obviously being used to the sort of silicone feel, because it is that sort of cloth feel, but they haven't got the cloth all the way around, so you've got that sort of plastic feel. It is obviously sort of iPhone pricing, so quite a expensive case, and I don't think any of their cases are actually worth the price they are. But if you're just looking for some protection, then it might be worth investing in it. Obviously, because it's not silicone, it is this cloth. The only thing you're gonna have to worry about though is putting it down on a surface where it's damp, because obviously this feels like it will probably stain. But that's the iPhone 15 Pro Max fine woven case. We hope you enjoyed watching this, so please feel free to hit the like button and remember to subscribe for great upcoming videos. Thank you and see you next time.